Okay, guys, so TerrorPUP here. I'm wanting to test out this iMac that I did a short on showing that I have OBS installed. I think we're running like an ancient version of Fedora on here, so I'm going to rebuild it, and when I do, I want to show you guys what how I did that. To be quite honest, it's kind of a pain in the butt because you have to make sure a lot of the drivers work. I went with Fedora because I had real good luck with it, and let's just do this real quick. I'm also testing out a new mic, a Tonor Mono mic. So let me know how this sounds. This was like 25 bucks on Amazon, and I can leave a link in the description. And so see, look, support ended on this back in 2023. And this is Fedora 37, so definitely want to wipe it, reset it back up, and just to see how things are going. It's not a bad little unit. Oh, yeah. Well, you guys didn't see what I was showing, so let me do this again. Hold on. Terminal. There we go. Whoops. Terminal. Okay, let's move my there we go. So yeah, this is running Fedora 37. I don't know what the current one is. I just know that I wanted to play around with it because since most of my work was with Red Hat, it made sense to have a something running Fedora. Don't really recommend running a Red Hat desktop because, quite honestly, they suck. They want you to run GNOME. They don't have any of the other ones. In fact, I told my sales representative that we would probably get better adaptation if they would use something like Xface, which I'm running, versus GNOME, because at least with GNOME I can it's Mac-like, and it has better menus and stuff like that. So, but no, I'm goofing around. This video really isn't much. Probably going to end it right here. But we're going to do a video on rebuilding this. I want to say it's a 2008 iMac. I mean, it's not one of the super thin ones. It's not running an ARM base. You probably can hear the fan. It runs pretty hot. But I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. I mean, look, I do a lot of e-cycling, and the only things I really buy are the small board computers. So, my whole rack, as I've shown you guys in the past, has been, boards like that. And you guys can't see it, but I always joke that I'm living Charlie Brown. Behind me is my dog Snoopy. And but anyway, just playing around tonight. Hope you guys enjoy this. Talk to you later.